Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Ads display campaign. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome or the preferable browser, and then from here you have to simply type in the Google ad from in the top search bar, then click on enter. After that it will take a couple of seconds, and here you can see there are lots of options. Choose the first option from here, and once you choose the first option, then here you can see there are two options: sign in and start now. So if you have already an account, click on sign in, and after clicking all the login credentials, it will simply take you to the dashboard like this. And here you can see that in the left hand side here is the option of campaign. Just to simply click on it, and here you can see there are lots of options called insights, auction. So what you need to do is just simply click on the create button from the top navigation bar, and then here you can see there are lots of options: campaign, ad group, search keywords, conversion, action, asset. Just choose the campaign option from there, and after that it will simply take you to this page like this. And here you have to choose the website traffic from here. Here you will get lots of options like sales, leads, apps, website traffic, app promotion, and others. Just choose the website traffic from here, and after that you have to simply click on the continue button. And here you will see the option of use these conversion goals to improve website traffic. Just phone call, leads, call from ads, reaction. Just then click on the continue again, and it will simply take you to this page. And here you have to click on the display option from here. There are lots of options that you can choose, and after that you have to simply scroll down, and after scrolling down here you will get the option of continue. Just simply click on the continue button from here, and here you will get the option of campaign name. Just choose a campaign name from here, and then simply click on the continue, and after that it will simply run your ad perfectly. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.